Hello, I'm Rob Lovers and take care of the new and used truck departments as well as the Idealease department here for the company. Wanted to give you a quick update on some things that are in our department here. First of all, the S13 integrated powertrain. As most of you know, that's our own proprietary powertrain. That truck will be launching this fall, so we'll hopefully be seeing some demo units come in late this year to get out to customers, let them test it out, drive it, see what they think for themselves. We had a really nice event this past August where 30 to 40 customers were in attendance and had a lot of excitement and interest in that product. So looking forward to everybody's help in pushing that product, helping drive parts and service back to our multiple dealerships. Another tool that we have here that will launch October 1st, so it'll be live by the time you're seeing this video, is Navistar Financial Corporation, or NFC for short. That will be our own captive finance company coming back to be able to provide different forms of financing for truck sales, FMV leases, track leases, conventional financing. Eventually we'll be able to offer financing for engine overhauls and larger service jobs, and potentially selling short-term insurance for trucking companies and owner-operators as well. So looking forward to having NFC and a captive finance company back on board too. Appreciate everybody's hard work and look forward to a great rest of the year. Thanks.